Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to recreate this look. It is a Khloe Kardashian inspired makeup look, and you can use this for New Year's Eve if you would like, if you're going to go out or stay home, whatever you do. If you're going to bring it to the living room and just chill there, definitely recreate this look and tag me on Instagram if you do. So if you want to know how to create this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified every single time that I upload. Now let's get started with the video. This is the look that I'm going to recreate. This is going to be the New Year's Eve glam, and it's inspired by Khloe Kardashian. Ashley Combe is the makeup artist that created the look on Khloe Kardashian, so I will go ahead and recreate it. I will try my best. So let me go ahead and start on this side over here. Let's take the Orgy palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So this one has a lot of browns and a few cool tones in there. So I'm just going to start with the shade Top. That's going to be with my Morphe M441. So I'm going to start applying that here and then extending the shade all the way out here and upwards. So you kind of want to curve it upwards. So this is going to be the first shade that you can see. The next shade that I want to take is called Bottom. So I'm just taking that with a smaller brush. It's like a pointy pencil brush. And that's going to be on the bottom part. The next shade that I'm going to take is called Booby Trap. So it's more of a cool tone brown. And I'm going to take that one all the way from the beginning to the end, like so. And also extending that outwards. And I'm going to pull my eye a little bit, since my eye does tend to sag a little bit at the end. The next shade that I'm going to take is the darkest brown. So I'm going to take that with a pencil brush by Sigma, the E30. And that is going to be the shade Orgy. This one here. It's going to be right here in this part. And you want to keep the lid area clean. So make sure to go above the lid. The next shade that I'm going to take is the black shade. So that one is called Glory Hole. This one here. And I'm just going to take that one with an angled brush. This is the Morphe M158. So I'm just going to take that really close to the bottom part here, closer to the eyelid. Now I'm all ready to cut the crease, and I'm using the P. Louise base again, shade 2. And I'm just going to use this Alamar Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand and then start at the bottom and then working my way out and working my way up. So I do want to take that a little bit above the crease. So I fixed up my eye a little bit, and I'm going to take now the ColourPop palette and Smoke Show, and I'm going to use that for the lid. I'm going to use the middle shade. It's called Starstruck, this one here. And I'm just going to take it with my finger first. Wow, this shade is beautiful. I've never used this palette. This is my first time, but let me tell you, it's so nice. This can definitely be used for New Year's Eve. If you're even going to do anything, I'll probably be in my living room. And next I'm going to apply the eyeliner. So I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and I'm going to create the wing next. So I'm going to make the wing like a medium-sized wing. And now it's when I apply the gems. So let me just go ahead and apply them here. I got them off Amazon, and I got the little applicator as well from Amazon. So it's like a little magnet, and these are like different sizes. I can link them down below if you'd like. I'm going to use the duo glue, and I'm going to apply it on my lid. So see how easily it picks it up? So let me go ahead and apply the glue. So I'm just going to apply a little bit and apply the first one. I'm just going to continue off camera, and I'll be right back to apply mascara and false lashes. So this is what the eye is looking like. I finished this eye off camera. The one that I do off camera always comes out better. I don't know why, but this is what I'm working with. And next I'm going to take the Morphe mascara, and I'm not going to curl my lashes. I don't want to mess up the gems. So I'm just going to apply mascara here. I'm going to apply the lashes off camera, and the ones that I'm using are the Gabriela lashes in the style Bebecita. I hope you guys can see that. So that is the style right there, and these are the lashes. So I will go ahead and apply these off camera, and I'll be right back. So this is the look with the lashes on. I am really enjoying this look. It looks really nice, but it'll come together once I start on my face. So I'm just going to fast forward through the face so you guys can see how I create the look, and I will also list the products down below. So let's go ahead and get started with my face. This is the final look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this New Year's Eve Khloe Kardashian inspired makeup tutorial. I had fun filming this tutorial, but it did take a long time just because of the rocks. I had to put them on with the little stick, and sometimes the little gems didn't stick to this applicator, so it took a very long time, but I think it came out looking amazing. What do you guys think? I will list all the products down below that I used. I hope you guys enjoy your New Year's and recreate this look, and make sure you tag me on Instagram if you do recreate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial right here. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!